Number 10, it says to match each function of the graph in intercept form. And these all look like it is in intercept form. So what we can do is we can look at the solutions. We want to find the solutions first, okay? And then from the solutions, we can get the x-intercepts. So let's do the first one. If we set this equal to 0 and we solve, okay, so we set that equals to 0 and solve it, we realize that the x is equal to -5 and x is equal to -3. That means that these points should have that intersection. So let's see which one has -5 and -3. Let's see, this is 1, 2, 3, nope. -5, -3, they're both negatives. Let's see if this is right. -3 and -5. It would be this one right here. X is equal to -5 and x is equal to -3. So this one would be the equation y is equal to x plus 5 and x plus 3. Let's do this one. It has to be equal to 0, and let's find the solution. It would be x is equal to -5 and x is equal to 3. Let's see what has that solution. This looks like it is 1, 2, nope. Let's see, could it be this one? 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5. It would be this one. X is equal to -5 and x is equal to 3. This is y is equal to x plus 5 and x minus 3. Next, we set this equal to 0 and solve. We have x is equal to 5 and x is equal to -3. Which one is like that one? Let's see. 5, 2, 4, 5, and that it looks like it is a -3. So it should be this one. Y is equal, this is y is equal to x minus 5, x plus 3. Next one, we set this equal to 0. We solve. X is equal to 5 and x is equal to 3. Which one is that one? They're both positive, so it looks like it's this one. Y is equal to x minus 5 and x minus 3. Let's now do this one here. We set it equal to 0. We solve. X is equal to -5 and x is equal to 5. That looks 2, 4, 5. It looks like this one. X is equal to 5 here and x is equal to -5 there. So this is y is equal to x plus 5 and x minus 5. Therefore, the last one, it is the default one. X is equal to -3 and x is equal to 3. That would be x is equal to 3 here, 2, and x is equal to -3 here. That would be E. Y is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. There you go.